Hi, I'm Claes Noring from JoomlaPro.com, and in this video I'm going to show our mega menu. Let's take a look. So this menu is really built for the YOOtheme Pro, and what's unique about it is that it gives you all of the special features that the YOOtheme Pro Builder gives you. So this is our demo site. I can show it here. You can see here that we have a test of a mega menu, and on the left side here there's a list element or panel element, and on this side here is a title, some text, buttons, and here is another list that could work and with images and everything. And what's very interesting here is that this is just like any other section or so in the YOOtheme. It's more or less like creating a footer, but you can do it to fold it out here. So how does this all work? Well, first of all, what you need to do is to create a module, and it's a so-called builder module. So what we're gonna do is we create a new builder. You can see here, builder, and we check down. This is something that comes with YOOtheme Pro by default, so it's nothing special there, and we call this demo, mega menu demo. And I'm just going to leave that like this and just save and close. And next up, I'm going to create a menu for our for this menu, and I'm going to call this demo. So, and then I'm going to select a specific item. And when you have installed our JP mega menu, you have this menu item, which is the special thing here. And here we can select a builder module. So underneath here, we just get all of the builder modules that is available on your site. So I'm going to pick this one, which we just created, and then I'm going to hit save and close. So now we should have a new menu up here, and if I click that, nothing happens, but that's to be expected. So next up, we're going to head into YOOtheme, and we're going to go to modules over here. I click that, and then we're going to go down and we're going to find the new demo that we have there. And we're going to click the builder area here, and when that is done, we can see it's empty. I'm going to click new layout. And from here, I can do anything. And this is just like any kind of YOOtheme section that you build. You know, let's just add some elements in here. I'm going to add a text on the other side. I'm going to do a headline, and I'm going to do a list. And in this one, I'm just going to add an image. And now, if we take a look and click on this, we will see that we have this layout. And this works just, you can do really creative things here. It's like the first column here, I can put that into a different style, perhaps primary. And on the first column, let's do, sorry, the second column, let's do style primary, secondary. And now we can take a look and we'll see that it follows everything just like any other place here. And what's also special is that we can do dynamic content. Everything is just the same. So we can fetch in dynamic content for the lists and create any kind of mega menu. And all the layouts work as well. So we can take a look at, you can do things like, let me see, we do the max width, and we can do that to expand, and we're going to see it's going to move all the way to the left. It doesn't show if I zoom out a little bit in the website. We're going to see it more clearly here. You see here's the normal width, but now you have this full thing, and you can go on and pick even more columns here. You can have 5 columns, and there's even third-party plugins to add even more, like 6, 7, 8 columns if that is. You can create like a huge, very, very nice mega menu with dynamic content, fetching things from whatever you have really, to demonstrate more like a real world thing here. We can show on our own website here. We show our references, the websites that we built, and this is all dynamic. We can check the news. We use it here, so the latest news is always like a big one here, and the rest, this list here, it starts from the second article, and it really is a nice way to display this. But this could be other things. It could be used with our VM UI kit, where you can fetch in perhaps product that is on discount from Word2Mart or something like that, whatever integration you use. So this is really just a way to show our nice blog in a little thing here. A client of ours sell hunting equipment, etc. They use it to have like big mega menus like this. You know, you can highlight some areas where contact information about purchases, etc. And you know, you can, it's more or less like a footer. And then you can have different categories like this, or huge, you know, categories like this with images, so it's easy for the visitor to find things. So yeah, you find this on extension.joomla.pro.com, and it's 35 euros, and that's for unlimited websites and unlimited time. You can use it for as long as you want, but for 35 euros it comes with 6 months of support and download, so you can make sure that you get it up and running. If you have any problems and so on, you can start a ticket in this site, and we will help you get things going. But then you can use it on as many websites as you want for as long as you want. So thank you. That's all from me. Bye bye.